Hello guys, today it's me, Babby, and now I'm not alone. Finally. Hello, Lukasia. Lukasia! Wow. People! People! The people are right there. Say hello to the people.
Hello.
Who's texting me on Skype?
What? I click on my pictures.
Okay, so there we go. It was one of my friends. Okay. Let's just get into the game already. Join the game. Join murder. Contemplate murder. Oh, I smell popcorn. That's a nice smell. It's a really nice smell. Oh, okay. That's nice to know. Just so you know, people, her dining room doesn't smell nice at the moment. So don't go to her house.
Yeah.
And steal her cookies.
Because my sister's friend decided to eat eggs in this room.
Ew.
Alright.
I don't even eat eggs. Who even eats eggs these days? Not me. Not me.
Before no programs made.
If you do that, do the comments. Now let me try this parkour. Listen, try.
Of when you brought me here, everyone else of your friends.
Yes, tell them. You should. Okay, we'll tell it together. It started when I saw her live streaming. I found her and she said she was live streaming. I looked at her live stream and I thought, how can I make this live stream worse? Or better? So, she was running away from me when I was the murderer and she got stuck in a cobweb, but then she got free and then she was going up the ladder and then I came and stabbed her face. And she was like, "Oh my god, I hate you, Rabbi!" And then after some minutes later, I asked one of my friends, and she's like, "Sure." And after that day, we were friends. Really weird friends.
This is how you know you just had a really good friendship.
Yep.
You hate the person.
Yep. Mhm.
That's how you know you're gonna have a
Oh,
very nice friendship.
I almost did the parkour. The parkour, I almost did it. Hello guys, sorry for the long break. I had to do something, but it wasn't long. Don't blame me, don't judge me, girl. Girl, don't judge me.
Alright, I set a stopwatch of 10 minutes, 25 seconds. I could have been doing something more effective than looking at stopwatch the whole entire game.
Did you look at Star Wars?
Yeah. Where did you go? I saw you. Where did you go?
Okay, so I'm innocent, apparently.
I'm changing chat off because I don't get chat these days.
Oh, look, that's my teddy bear. My teddy bear. My teddy bear. Oh. She's called me a boy. Someone's call me a boy.
Nice job. Hey, you innocent and Robbie?
Yes, I'm innocent. Someone used to call me a boy. Someone used to call me a boy. I'm upset now. I'm going to a corner.
Nice job.
Lukasia. Lukasia? Okay, so Lukasia.
Oh, good afternoon again.
The teddy bear called me a boy. They assumed my gender. Oh, that's because I have the wrong skin on. These sisters have the eyebrows. Someone's People are keep calling me a boy.
You're you look perfectly like a girl. I'm pretty sure. You know his letters by John the Fortune.
Oh, I'm out of here. Oh, no, I'm not staying with them. No, I'm not coming. No, no, leave me alone. No, I'm running away from all my troubles.
Yeah.
This is how I do it in school. I just run away from class. I was kidding. I would never, because then I would have detention.
Apparently, I'm going to be recording for 5 minutes.
Oh, I didn't know.
Well, but at the moment, I actually for 1 round, as you know, until my lectures are actually start working again, and I won't actually work as much as I usually do. And when I fixed my lighting that I was probably going to have friend fix hers.
Yeah, I'm a noob.
Who was the runner?
I don't know. It was comedy voiceless. Oh,
This is in the game.
yeah, but
Why does this thing always glitch on lava, but then it always says innocent? Like, why?
yeah, I know. Wow! When you're trying to film and you start a game and then you get killed at the start.
watching that sound.
No, it's not Sans. It's not Sans. Promise me, it's not Sans.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
Hi. This is kind of nice of me. I'm trying to make me this sad. I think I need some.
There are people saying congratulations to me for being a YouTuber. Finally, I get some appreciation.
Where's some congratulations to?
Wavy boy. The wavy boy.
Ah. This is what I'm on to. Nice. And you just started recording. Oh, I just turned cat back on to this.
Thanks. Thanks so much. You're so nice. Mmm. I love pineapple.
I think that's second round of the game.
What?
I said I was only going to give one round, but anyway, because I'm already dead. You guys probably can't see this, but I'm in this right now. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this very short video. Not very short, but it's 9 minutes. So me and Robin will already start doing live streams and more videos more often because our channel is gonna be down in my description. So anyway. Is your video still like working?
Yes, it is.
I will mask is on for now, like finished.
They can still hear you.
I know. You can say how many more minutes and I'm gonna finish.
I don't know. Pineapple use. From pineapple. Pineapples. For life. Is there something wrong, Lukasia? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine.
Oh, you're not in my game anymore. No, the merger.
That's being AFK. Quote unquote AFK.
Oh. Victory's mine! Surprise! Time to die, people.
No, I'm in the game. You're the one that left.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you did.
I'm so confused. Am I a pineapple or a human? I don't know. Where's the last one? Where's the last people?
I don't know where you are.
I'm gonna end I'm gonna end soon after this round probably, guys. So because it's almost limited. Unlimited edition. Well, oh. Okay.
I'm gonna do that outro.
No. Okay, go to hub one. Go to hub. Go hub one. One.